Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. We understand a purpose that is beyond searching and strife. We teach the essence of a blazing jewel. The transmission of uncontrived and effortless perfection is the meaning of non-dual secret wisdom. We use an oral transmission that we do not exaggerate or depreciate to unify with an intent of uncontrived clarity. As for the transmission of the effortless perfection of our awareness, there is a way in which our self-luminosity is beyond any effort. The way in which uncontrived light pervades, and our abiding in the way it is with the self-luminous transmission. As for the validation of uncontrived certainty, the essence of the sky is to be empty. It is not measured by any ordinary logic. We use its true nature to teach it clearly. As for the true nature of the appearance of the body of the Dharma, it has not been contrived right from the beginning, just as it is. We use its true nature to put it into a system. To understand this is to be the equal of all the Buddhas. As for the natural clarity of the sun, we transform our own true natures into clarity. In this way, our wisdom is self-luminous. While without contrivance on our own true natures do appear, if we do not have an intent of uncontrived awareness, our path will be a yoga that is contrived. We are not contrived, and our true natures are clear. While without contrivance our own true natures do appear, if we do not have an intent of uncontrived awareness, our path will be a yoga that is contrived. We are not contrived, and our true natures are clear. We use our ideas about the doors of sounds and symbols, so we lose our objective, which is self-luminous wisdom. We are all brought together into a heart essence of wisdom, but this is not self-luminous wisdom. If we abide by a Dharma that is a craving for some visible attribution, we will be deluded. So how will we find enlightenment? We use our own experience, which is an immersion into a complete fantasy, and no matter which audible explanation we may discuss concerning this heart essence that is self-luminous and is not an attribution, it will seem that we are in the way in which the ocean is obstructed by its waves.